Hello everybody and welcome to another unboxing for your creative studio. This month we have a fall themed box and I believe this is the August kit, I think, but it is labeled fall, so let's go ahead and jump in. Alright, I've got all of the items out, but let's go ahead and check them out individually, starting with the exclusive washi tapes. Oh, little duckies are walking up to my window. Let's see if they start screaming. Alright, so here is the design. It looks like a nice little ombre with a burlap and lace type of finish is what I am kind of picking up. There's lots of yellows and orange and pinks in here, but really lovely. Love the colors. I love that there's nothing like bold on the design. Next we have a rubber stamp, and this one has a wreath design, which is cute. Hold it in a way where it's not all the way in the sun. Let's see, we have another stamp set here, and this one has a little pumpkin and lantern, a pine cone, and a maple leaf. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'll test these so that you guys can see the images more clearly because it is a little difficult to see on that gray background. All right, next we have this pack of book paper. Now, we've had stuff like this similar in the past all the time, and it never gets old because it's great for layering and sharing because it comes with so many, but here are some of the designs. We've got lots of advertising and newspaper print. There's a cool little Halloween one, corn harvest. So that would have been cute for October, but I can easily use it for November because I haven't even started journaling for November yet. Okay, so next we have this pack of stamps with florals, and I know we've gotten this in the past, but that doesn't mean I don't love it just as much as I always have. I love these. I use them all the time, everywhere, in every project, just because they're easy, they're guilt-free, and the designs really are lovely. So I love that, and I love the little backer card too. That's really cute. All right, next we have Mushroom Jungle. I love the wrapping on that. That was really satisfying. I don't actually know what this is. There's a little descriptor picture, but let's get inside. All right, so we've got some aged stuff here. I love good aged stuff, but gosh, this just looks like it really went through a fire, doesn't it? So some of the designs are perfect and square, and some of them have this distressed edge. I love this one. And some of them have a severe distress and burn edge, like these. So these are really fun. So this is great for mushrooms, mushroom border. Ooh, look at that one. That one's really, really distressed. This one's really pretty too. This is going to be great for fall. Like I said, I haven't even started my November journal pages yet. That's how behind I've been on everything. October and November have really been brutal for me. Oh my god, I haven't even finished my October journaling. These are cool. These are really cool. I love this. I love that there's varying designs and sizes and distressing. It's all really fun. And I actually cannot wait to use and make with that. That's really going to be fun. All right, next we have the exclusive sticker sheet, which is the same or similar to this. Nope, it's a different leaf altogether. But a sheet of these black and white, and it's a clear sticker leaves, so that's really fun. I really like that. What? Okay, so we have, what? We have rub-ons. This is a first. I have never seen rub-ons, but it comes with an applicator. That's so cool. I just use anything I can. Never actually had a specific, oh my gosh, all the designs are different. Okay. I'm getting really, really excited. Okay, these are beautiful. And the quality in my hand just feels like superior. Like the backing is really thick, and this is very velvety, and I know that doesn't matter, but it just feels like a superior quality, and I love these frames. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited I haven't started November because this is perfect. Look at these. Are these not the most beautiful things you've ever seen? Okay, Amanda, I demand rub-ons every month. These are absolutely stunning, and I love that it came with an applicator. All right, we got a couple more smalls. This looks familiar. We've definitely had this before. I'm not even sure I'm going to open it because I might gift this to someone because I know we've had these in the past. But they're just different floral papers in different sizes. And then we have this cute little wreath thing. And I feel like we've had something very similar to this in the past too, but not for a while. So those will be fun to use. Here are the designs on the back. I really don't want to open them because I just don't want to get them everywhere. All right, we got the tissue for this month. I hope you guys can see that. I'm not going to take it out because I rip them every time. And then we have the last item, which is another exclusive. And it's the paper ephemera, and there's a healthy chunk of it here. And we've got different designs, and it looks like different textures here. All right, so we've got what looks like regular paper. We've got a set of 3 different designs on regular, like printer paper feelings stuff. And then we've got 3 designs in vellum of the same design. Again, it looks like 3 designs of the printer paper, and then the vellum in the same print. Now we have different textured paper. So these have like a skin type of texture. I don't know if it's picking up on that. And then this has more of like a, well, I guess it's kind of still like that skin texture. But the designs are still really pretty. I guess here's a better idea of what the texture looks like back here. Okay, and then the same designs in sticker sheet form. And no texture, just a sticker sheet. Let's see if I can get my fingers to work so I can prove it to you guys. There we go. I just have my nails done, so my nails are like super short, but sticker paper. And that's it. Wow, there's a lot in here. I was really surprised with how much paper came in that pack. And I love that there's a bunch of different paper textures. That just makes it way more fun to use. For now, let's go ahead and test those stamps. All right, I'm not gonna bother putting it on a block. I'm just gonna get it right here on my ink pad here. Sorry, I'm losing all of my words. And then I'm going to just stamp it on some sticker paper so that I can cut them out and use them. Look how pretty that is. I think my ink pad is drying out because this would be such a crisper image if my ink pad wasn't so splotchy. There we are. Alright guys, that is it. We have loads of really beautiful things again this month. I can't wait to use these. I am going to try my best to get creative this week so that I can actually show you using this kit in action rather than just displaying all of the contents. So definitely stay tuned for that. But until next time, friends, I will catch you later. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.